I'm next weather meteorologist Lissette Gonzalez tracking Hurricane Erin, and Erin continues to strengthen. As of the 11 a.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, now max sustained winds have increased to 140 miles per hour, and now a change. It is moving west-northwest at 10 miles an hour, but when you take a look at the satellite imagery, it is really impressive. You can see how this hurricane continues to grow in size and is already pounding parts of Puerto Rico. Still some rain bands there, but also Dominican Republic, Haiti, portions of the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos. All the islands here going to be dealing with the potential for tropical storm force conditions as Erin continues to lift generally west-northwest, but then is expected to lift northward and remain a major hurricane. By the way, still a Category 4 tomorrow with 130 mile per hour winds. Wednesday, a Cat 3, so still a major hurricane through midweek with 120 mile per hour winds, and then by Thursday is when it will likely be passing in between Bermuda and the Carolina coast, and at that point it's still going to be a dangerous hurricane, Category 2 at that point with 110 mile per hour winds, and then it will continue to recurve out into the open waters of the northern Atlantic, and even by Saturday of next weekend it's still a hurricane. So it just goes to show you how strong this system is, and you'll notice that the cone is still well to the east of us, of Florida, and still east of the U.S. coast, although getting a little too close for comfort here as we get into later this week to the Carolina coast. That's why there are some evacuations taking place there. Now, although we're not expecting a direct threat from Erin here in South Florida or even the U.S. coast, there will be some impacts up and down the eastern seaboard. Notice how those wave heights will be increasing as we head through the middle to end of the week, and that means that with larger swells, rough surf, we will indeed see a dangerous high risk of rip currents as we head through the next few days, but especially by middle of the week, Wednesday into Thursday. Notice how waves could reach 2 to 4 feet for us here along the Atlantic beaches of South Florida. The further north you go, the larger the swells, the higher the wave heights, which could reach even up to 4 to 6 feet off the coast of Palm Beach. So although Erin is staying to our east, we will still be watching it closely, and we will be dealing with some of the effects, especially along our beaches and along the coast. And we'll keep you updated right here on CBS News Miami, on air, online, so stay tuned.